give me that much. Because I'm gonna have
Yummer.
But we'll make the whole thing though.
Magkasista. Kakahaba ng bread. Ayan. Sa Walmart namin to nabili guys. Ayan. So gumawa din ako ng salad. Ayan. Ito gagawa din siya ng kanyang salad. So salad ang ating kakainin after mag-workout. So gagawin niya is hatiin na lang kasi hindi magkasya. Ayan. Mini-boiled ako ng itlog para sa salad guys. Natin yung salad.
Cheese is breaking off. Yeah, I only put a little bit of it. Just a little. It's up to you guys to put more.
Dinner. Ito yung dinner namin. Salad. Tuna sandwich. Din sa akin.
What dressing are you gonna use, Mom? There's some more of this one right here.
Kain tayo guys.
Okay, triangle.
Then ito yung juice ko.
Triangle?
Yep.
Guys,
Square,
aking dinner.
a rectangle, a triangle, and a trapezoid. I was the first one to finish today. All of them.
Did you get that for free?
Yeah, he's going to give us this thing for free. We're doing like competition.
Yeah, and the sandwich is actually big.
Did you know there's many ways to make other shapes except for the square? Square can only be made one way.
What do you mean?
It's the square is only made on one way. The other shapes can be used with different ways or tactics. Choppers. This.
yung salad.
This.
Maybe if you're sleeping, maybe I should put some salad in your mouth so you can.
I bought a bunch of cherry stuff because it's good for swelling.
Oh. This.